How to stop notifications from Play Store. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now there are two options when it comes to stopping the Google Play Store notifications. The first one, which I don't prefer at all, it goes like this: open up Play Store, then click on the profile picture or icon at the top right corner, then click on settings, and here you want to click on general and then click on notifications. And here you will be able to turn off some of the Play Store notifications by clicking on the toggle next to them, as you can see, which will turn off that specific notifications, and you can do the same for all of these ones right here. But the second option is much better, and it has a lot of customization and more notifications that you can turn off, and it goes like this. Go ahead and open up your settings, scroll down to apps, and then search for Play Store. Click on it. From the privacy section, click on notifications, and here you will be able to turn off and stop all the notifications that can come from the Play Store. As you can see, there are a lot, way more than we just see in the previous method or option. So what you can do right here is you can turn some of them on and leave some off, or you can just turn them all off altogether at once like this, and by doing that you will get no notifications from Play Store, including the ones that we see in the previous method and some extras. So that was it for this video. That's how you can stop and disable the notifications from Play Store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.